So there's this machine here which is called Minute Key, and you buy 2 and get 1 free key, and how to copy keys, and it's self-service. So we press here on copy key, and then this
insert
will
your key
open.
below. Please insert and hold your key below with the teeth facing up.
Teeth facing up goes this way, and there's a holder inside that stands still. Says your key has been, it's getting scanned, and it's called Minute Key Company. So while it's scanning, alright, so now it says select your new keys. So you choose based on the key type and price, and you have these different 8 types of keys. And then after selecting, it goes on. I'm exiting because I was just trying it out. They start over.
Please remove your key. Your transaction has been canceled.